Healthcare organizations operating multiple clinics generate vast amounts of data every day. Turning this information into actionable insights is essential for delivering efficient, high-quality patient care. Data is often spread across different clinics and systems, making it difficult to monitor operations, track performance, and make timely, data-driven decisions across the organization. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed a centralized analytics platform that brings data from multiple clinics into a single, unified dashboard for real-time monitoring and analysis. The platform integrates data from various healthcare systems, processes and standardizes the information, and presents key operational and clinical metrics through interactive analytics dashboards. Key features include multi-clinic data integration, centralized analytics dashboard, real-time performance monitoring, operational and clinical insights, KPI tracking and reporting, scalable healthcare analytics. The solution improves operational visibility, enhances decision-making, streamlines reporting, and enables healthcare providers to deliver more efficient and data-driven patient care.